Hi, in front of me is XIAOMI Mi 8 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view on this XIAOMI. First of all, click on the square button over here and tap at the top left corner on floating windows. Then select one of those apps like Chrome and click on it. As you can see, now I can use my app in this window over here and even overlay other ones. If you want to change placement of this window over here, you have to hold this line and drag it around wherever you want to. If you want to close it, click on the square button again and close your app in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!